Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. We are coming at you today from the ballroom. My name is Kim and this is Elle, and we're the marketing duo here at the Detroit Lakes Community and Cultural Center. And we just have we're rolling right into January. We had some fun stuff happening last week that we got to talk about kicking off this week, and we got some good stuff going on the theater. So
yes,
a couple good shows. And
yeah, we have 2 shows at the end of January. On the 19th, it's going to be the Fabulous Armadillos Party Band. They're a really awesome group. They're very well known in this area. They have a lot of support, so that's super exciting. And it's a party band because it's going to be a party. They're going to do music from the 60s to today. There's 8 members. It's going to be a really fun show. It's going to be a lot of energy. Tickets are $30 for adults, $15 for students. So make sure you come on out. That's at 7:30 on January 19th. And then the Late Homecomer is coming. That's a Lit for Life production. So they're bringing Cal Kalia's book to life. It's going to be a one-woman act, and she's going to be explaining her family's story about immigrating from Laos to Minnesota. So it's all about Hmong culture. It's a really great opportunity to experience some culture in rural Minnesota and just learn more about the Hmong people. There's a huge population in the cities, especially in St. Paul. That was one of the main hubs that they immigrated to. So make sure you come on out. It was a winner of the Penn USA Literary Award for Nonfiction and Minnesota Book Award. So it's a very well-renowned book.
And if you get a chance, the library, if you haven't read it yet or whatever, the library has copies available.
Yeah.
I believe still for checking out. So check it out.
Yeah, and they started a book club about it this month as well, so there's still time to join that if you want. But yeah, check out. They have tons of copies, I've heard, at the library. So check one out, read the book, educate yourself about Hmong culture. It's a really inspiring story. They even have it available as an audio book as well. I believe it's already checked out on the library, but you can find it on apps like Libby or Audible, and that's going to be $10 for adults, $5 for students. It's a really affordable way to come out, support the theater and the arts, and experience culture. And then we're looking forward to February. We have tons of stuff going on. Polar Fest is happening. We're kicking that off with the the Daddy's Little Sweetheart Dance on February 10th. That's from 6 to 9. Tickets are already on sale. That's a really loved event by the community. Yeah. So we're excited to bring it back here to our ballroom. It's going to be decorated, and the theme is Sweetheart. So make sure you get tickets if you have a special little sweetheart to bring. And then we have From Barry with Love on February 18th. That's Barry Gibson, the Bee Gees tribute, presented by Mick Sterling. We're having another party in our ballroom, Mardi Gras Kings, on February 21st. And then Simon and Simon, music of Carly Simon and Paul Simon, on February 24th.
Awesome. So lots of good stuff.
So we're looking ahead.
Yeah, that's great. And then I mentioned last week on the Discovery series with the kids shows and things that are happening. One of the things I'd mentioned, if you get a chance to check out online, but check with your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, if they're in elementary school in this area. There's lots of opportunities now with those shows coming back, so it's awesome. We are in full New Year's mode, so if you have a resolution, if you aren't a resolution person but you have goals, if you're currently a fitness member, non-member that have been coming in and you're looking to mix things up, we kind of have you covered here, which is awesome. We have all different membership types. We have some youth memberships if your kids are looking to get a little more active as we're getting into January. We have family memberships. We have couple memberships. A lot of our corporations in town, businesses in town, if you have 6 or more employees, you may be part of our corporate discount options. So check that out. We have lots of opportunities to come in. If it's been a while since you've been in, I encourage you to come in for a tour. We've done some updates on things, the family locker room, some of our carpeting, some of our weight equipment and things like that. So I encourage you to come in for a tour and to consider signing up. Again, we have day passes available. If you are coming in with a member, you get a discount, so there's member benefits as well. So check that out. I'm going to let you know, it's gold or yellow. The Malia's Engage calendar is out. So again, in January, there's lots of great things happening between those, and then we have fitness classes and things. So check out the calendars. They're all updated on our website. So just lots of great things happening and lots of programs starting. So for all of that and more, you can visit our website at www.dlccc.org. So thanks so much for joining us today on Backstage Pass, and we'll see you again next week.